Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 5.1, question number 5. Graph the solution region of the following inequalities by shading. Part 1. The given inequalities are 3x minus 4y is less than equal to 12, 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to 3, and x plus 2y is less than equal to 9. So we start the solution. We write the first inequality, which is 3x minus 4y is less than equal to 12. We name it as number 1. We are going to write its corresponding equation, which becomes minus 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. In this equation, put x equals to 0. As a result, you will get y equals to minus 3. So the point becomes 0 minus 3. Then put y equals to 0. You will get x equal to 4. And the point becomes 4, 0. Y equals to 0, 3x equals to 12, result x equals to 4. So point is 4, 0. Now we go for the reference point. We use origin as reference point. So we put origin 0, 0 in inequality number 1, 0, 0, result 0 is less than equal to 12, which is a true sentence. So what result we get? That origin 0, 0 lies in the solution region. We get to the second inequality, which is 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to 3. We name it as number 2. Its corresponding equation becomes 3x plus 2y equals to 3. And it put x equals to 0. You are going to get y equals to 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. And when you simplify it or write it in decimal, you will get 1.5. And then when you put y equals to 0, you will get x equals to 1. So the point is 1, 0. Now we go for the reference point. Put O 0, 0 in inequality number 2. 0 plus 0 gives us 0 is greater than equal to 3, and it is a false sentence. Result, origin does not satisfy this inequality, or you may say origin does not lie in the solution region. Now we go for our third inequality, which is x plus 2y is equal to 9. Its corresponding equation becomes x plus 2y equals to 9. Put x equals to 0 in it. So you will get y equals to 9 by 2. Simplify it, or you may write it in decimal, and you will get 0 and 4.5. After this, put y equals to 0. You will get x equals to 9. So the point becomes 9, 0. We go for the reference point. Put origin 0, 0. In this inequality, its name is number 3 in 3. So we get 0 plus 0. That is 0 is less than equal to 9, which is a true sentence. Result, origin satisfies this inequality, and we may write origin lies in the solution region. Now we are going to plot all these inequalities on the graph paper. First of all, I'm going to plot this inequality. The points of the line are 0, minus 3 and 4, 0. Let's get to the graph paper. X equals to 0, y is minus 3. So the point becomes this. I'm going to plot it with maroon color. 0, minus 3. And then the second point is x equals to 4 and y equals to 0. Here it is. Join these two with the help of a straight line. Here it is. This is it. I'm extending this line over to this side. Put arrowheads on your line. Write the equation of the line, which is 3x minus 4y equals to 12. And where is, let's name it, its name is L1. And where is its solution region? Its origin lies in its solution region. So let's check. Here it is. This is the line which we are plotting. Origin lies in the solution region. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark it over to this side. Its solution region is on this side of the line. Let me correct this arrow. Here it is. Solution region is on this side of the line. This whole is our solution region. Now let's get to the second line. I'm going to plot it with green color, and here it is. The points are 0, 1.5. X equals to 0, y is 1.5. This is 0 and then 1, and this is 0.5, 1.5. So here is my point 0, 1.5. And then the second point is 1, 0. X equals to 1, y equals to 0. So this is the second point. Join these 2 points with the help of a straight line. Here it is. Let's extend it towards this side. This is our line. Put arrowheads on it. Let's write the equation of line. The equation of line is 3x plus 2y equals to 3. 3x plus 2y equals to 3. And solution, let's name it as L2. And solution origin does not lie in the solution regions. You can see origin lies on this side. So the solution region will be on this side of this line. Let's get to the third line. I'm going to plot it with the pink color. And the third line, let's see. The third line has got points 4.5 and 90, and origin lies in the solution region. So 4.5, x equals to x equals to 0, y equals to 4.5. Now x equals to 9, y equals to 0. Join the 2 points with the help of a straight line. Here it is. This and this. Mark arrowheads. This is it. And this is it. Write the equation of line, which is x plus 2y is equal to 9. Name it as L3. And origin lies in the solution region. You can see origin lies below this line. So this is all our solution region. So we are going to mark the solution region on this side. Now let's try to find their collective solution, their collective or their common solution region. Just see. This whole is our solution region. This is the solution region of the second line. And this is the solution region of the third line. So I see that this is this triangular part. It is our common solution region of the 3 inequalities. Now to make it clear for you, I'm going to shade all these 3. Now let's shade the solution regions of all the inequalities one by one. First of all, I'm going to shade the solution region of this inequality. And you can see I will shade this whole region on the above side of this line. Here you can see the whole solution region of this inequality has been shaded red. Now let's get to our second inequality, which is represented by this green line. So, and its solution region is on this side. So I will shade whole this region green. Let me show it to you. Here it is. Here it is. You can see the solution region of the second inequality upon this side of the line. It has been shaded green. Now we are going to shade the third inequality, and you can see this is the boundary line of the third inequality, and I have to shade below this line. Now let's shade it with a pink color. Here it is. You can see the solution region of the third inequality has been shaded pink. Now we have to locate the solution region, the common solution region, that is which has got all the three shades. So I hope you can locate it clearly. It is there. Here it is. This, and this. This is our solution region. Now let's see the same solution on the graph paper. Here you can see the graphical solution of that particular question on a graph paper using the scale for small scale equals to 1. And this is the first line, this is the first line, this is the second line, this is the third line, and this is their common solution region. So that completes the work.